Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix the Wi-Fi keeps turning off issue on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel, suggest swipe down and click on this power icon. After click on this power icon, click on restart and again click on restart. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, open quick settings panel, swipe down and turn off Wi-Fi mode and turn on Wi-Fi mode. Turn on or turn off Wi-Fi mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, click on done. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on reset and click on reset mobile network settings and click on reset settings. Enter your phone pin, click on continue. After the process, click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix the Wi-Fi keeps turning off issue on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.